Here we are. One more video just to explain how you might begin arranging the pieces. So you got your background set and start grabbing photos. I'm being a little random right now. And when you just drag it from the desktop onto Photopea, it'll open as a layer on your current document right there. All right. And when you put a picture into the document, it starts with these transform controls, and I can hold down Shift, grab a corner, and resize it without distorting it. I don't want to stretch anything out. All right. And then I'm just going to place it somewhere on here. And then I could start cutting the pieces as well, right? So I can take that piece. I'm on this image layer. I can even name it, actually. I should name it mouth, not a mouth, but a mouth. There we go. And let's try this one. If you want to stay super cubist, maybe cut pieces furthermore with this a combination of rectangle selection and your delete button. So check this out. I can take that rectangle selection tool. All right, instead of the quick select, we're going to use this one. And let's try cutting some pieces off. I'm going to take that, and as that box sits there, I'm going to hit delete on the keyboard. And it's got to rasterize first. That's okay. So let it rasterize. Okay. If it doesn't do it automatically, right click and go to rasterize. This prepares it to be worked on. All right. Now I can hit delete and it takes a piece off. Right. And so I can make pieces out of my pieces and cut away things that I may not need. All right. I'm going to cut over here too. Just clicking and dragging this box. It's just deciding some pieces to take away. All right. And then when I want to move it again, see, I stay on the layer and I go to the move tool, which is V. If you want to use your keyboard to go back and forth between things, the V is the one you're going to use a lot to move pieces. Right. Now the dotted line is still there. That's the selection. I can go Control D and deselect. Control or Command D. All right, so I'm going to hit that. I got my arrow right there. It's my move tool, and I can move the piece. But I got the wrong layer. Grab the mouth and move that. Right, grab another one. Let's see, what's that? That's the same thing. A mouth. Let's grab an eye and a face, and pow, right there. Okay. Now I'm going to resize that, of course. And another way to cut things out is using a combination of the rectangle and the eraser. Grab the rectangle. On this one, I'm just going to focus on the eye. I might come back and make another copy for the mouth. But here we go. I'm going to just go over that and delete. It wants to rasterize. Do you remember? Right click, rasterize. Now, delete. Pow. Right? V tool, move it. Pow. Okay. I want to deselect. Yes. Command or Control D. All right, now I got another piece on there. All right, so just continue and explore and see where that goes.